I think in that third quarter we gave up too many points. Sometimes we didn't get back, had some turnovers, spacing, defensive coverages that we kind of, got mixed up on that, we went over today and shoot around. So a lot of things that we can control to be better at. We're going to have practice tomorrow, watch film, we're going to talk about it, discuss the things that we did well, the things that we can do better, and come out and execute better on Friday.
Thank you.